So I know somewhat about the this one, Power BI.
Okay, that's great, dear. Meghna, right?
Yeah, Mega
Okay.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, Meghna. Yeah, great. So, fine. So, guys, today we are going to discuss about Power BI. Okay, including about some content like what is Power BI and what Power BI can do, and what are the some key point we have in Power BI that make Power BI very great visualization among other tools, and why Power BI stand out from other visualization compared to the Tableau, compared to the Excel, compared to the Google Sheet, all those things. And what are the key steps you need to follow whenever you are going to work with Power BI? And if you learn Power BI, what are the career options we have in Power BI? And what are the roadmaps? Means if you want to become expert and if you want to looking for any job in Power BI, then you need to follow some roadmap, right? What things you need to learn to become expert. So these are all things we are going to discuss in today's workshop. Okay. So let's start from one is the introduction to Power BI. Okay, so everyone knows Power BI means is a business intelligence tool, right? Power BI means what? It's a business intelligence tool. And in Power BI, we can transform our raw data into meaningful insight for easy to use and easy to solve our complex problem, right? Whether you are a new data analytics or else you are looking for enhance your skill, then you need to go with the Power BI as a visualization tool. So Power BI mainly designed for analyzing, visualizing, and creating interactive report and dashboard to solving our complex problem. Okay, so in Power BI, we can create interactive report and dashboard. After that, we can share with anyone whatever, like if you want to share your stockholder, you can share it. If you want to share the report in your colleagues, that also is possible. So for that you need to share the report by the Power BI service. So Power BI mainly designed for three elements. One is Power BI desktop, then Power BI service, and Power BI mobile app. So Power BI desktop means what? Desktop is nothing but it's a desktop application, and mainly Power BI desktop we are using for creating report and dashboard by using different chart, different graphs and map. By using that we can create a report in Power BI desktop. Similar to second component's Power BI service. Once you create a report, how we can share it? So by using Power BI service, we can share it, and here we can view the report also. So your question, ma'am, only we can create the report in desktop. Is it not possible to create in Power BI service? We can create the dashboard in Power BI service also, but we can't modify that. We can't do the DAX expression. We can't do any kind of changing in the dashboard. But here in the desktop, we can do anything. We can customize, we can manipulate, anything we can do it. So mainly desktop is designed for creating and building the reports. Service is mainly designed for publishing the report after created the report by the Power BI desktop. And mobile app means if you're not present in front of your system, then you can view the report and dashboard by the mobile apps, mobile or a tablet, anything you can use it. So mainly Power BI is used for creating the dashboards and reports and sharing with stakeholder or else collaboration. Okay. Then comes to why used Power BI. Means what are the uses of Power BI? So first thing, Power BI is tool for help business understand their data and make better decision. So because Power BI is a main part of group of tool that's called BI tool. BI is nothing but business intelligence. So mainly Power BI we are using to tracking the important business matrices. For example, how the business is growing on, what are the impact is on our business, and how we can grow our business, what the strategies we need to plan for it, what are the future sales, what are the future trends in marketing and metrics, what things we are going to do in the Power BI. And that's also depend on the different people. Maybe developer, that also depend on the developer people, depend on the analytics people, depend on the managers. Their requirement, they can analyze and visualize the data their own way. by using Power BI. So these are the main uses of Power. If you learn Power BI, then you can get these benefits. Then comes to the third one, is some key point. What are the key point? Every skill having their key points. So Power BI also having the key point. First, data visualization. Means the Power BI help us to creating very interactive, very informative, very clear manner graphs and different reports we can create it by using advanced visual, by using AI visual, by using normal visual like charts, like graph, like map from our data. So by using data visual means by using Power BI in the data visualization, we can make our report very easy and to see the pattern and trends of our data, and we can solve the business problem through the data visualization in Power BI. Second one, data integration. Data integration means Power BI have that much capabilities and feature to connect with different data sources, because in Power BI n number of data sources is there, unlimited. So Power BI connect with n number of data source like Excel, like database, like cloud service, like Power Apps, like others, like online, anywhere, any data sources we can connect in Power BI. Because of that, Power BI having very good data integration with different data sources. Then comes to interactive report. So in Power BI, help us to make very good report. Okay. Through that, we can explore our data in engaging way. Okay. Then creating dashboard. Because in Power BI, let us create very good dashboard for showing the important information in the one view. Then only we are using Power BI for very good and interactive dashboard, so that we can quickly analyze what the things is happening in our data, what are the pattern and trend in our data. All things we can do it in the dashboard. That also one key features of Power BI. Then sharing and collaboration means in Power BI, whatever the dashboard and created in desktop, that you do those sharing and collaboration by using our service, so that you can work with your team. Sometimes what happens, once you create a report, if you want to share, means only you can share. But if you collaborate, feedback can see that, and sometimes they give the like some like that video that is not looks there, dashboard, some DAX expression you need to change it, yeah, visually you need to change it. They will give the permission and they will give the some advice to more clearly you need to solve this problem. Then real-time data. So Power BI update our data in the real way, so that you can get. Just allow me 1 minute, guys. Allow me 1 minute, guys. Just a moment. Okay, let me share again my screen. Is my screen visible to everyone? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible, ma'am.
Okay, so Power BI also having one most key features, that is real-time data. So in Power BI, what happened? Power BI every day is updating our data in real time. Means once your data got created, if your backend team if updating something in your data, means that will be automatically updated and you will get the real things, real world, so that you can get your latest information regarding your data. Okay, then access anywhere. Means whatever you are a desktop, your tablet, your smartphone, your anything, you can access your report whenever you are. For example, you are in market. If you have Power BI access, means you can connect that report and dashboard, you can present it. Maybe that over in your left desktop, yeah, maybe that was in your laptop, or else it will be the phone, your tablet, anything. You can access it in anywhere. So these are the some key point about the Power BI. So then comes to your why Power BI stand out from other visual tool. As we know, in market, there is an n number of visualization tool, right or not? N number of visualization tool. But in Power BI, why Power BI stand out from other visualization tool? Because due to its seamless integration with Microsoft product. Because Power BI is very user-friendly interface, and it's a having advanced feature. As we know, before Power, now it's a Power BI, but before mostly we're using Excel only. Excel also having same feature. Core functionality is the same. But why difference? Because Power BI having unlimited features like AI integrations, like Python, like SQL, like n number of data sources. And it's a user friendly. Anyone can use it. Because Power BI having 3 versions, free, pro, and premium. So anyone can use the free version. So it's a user friendly. Anyone can use it anywhere. And Power BI mainly designed for Windows. Remember guys, it's a window. But Mac operating system also we can use it. But that for some time, not for every, but Windows mainly designed for Windows only. Okay. So same tool like other tool also, Power BI allow user to easily connect with wide range of data sources, including Excel, SQL, and cloud service without requiring extensive technical knowledge. You no need to, you don't, if you don't have any technical knowledge, that also fine. But in this Power BI, having that much of feature, and that is very user friendly, so that you can connect with a very wide range of data source. Like in, as I told, Power BI having n number of, so you can connect with any kind of data sources here. Okay, for example, you can say, suppose you are working as a sales report in Power BI, so you can pull the data directly from the Excel, visualize in the interactive charts and graph, then share the report through the Microsoft Team, Office 365, just a free click. Once you created one report, then you can direct share in the team so that your stakeholders see them, or your manager, your teammates, any people can access the dashboard through the service. This is very simple. So because of this reason, Power BI is stand out from other visualization tool due to their seamless integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Okay, then comes to key steps in Power BI. Whenever you are going to work with Power BI, there is some key steps. First, you need to define your requirement. What exactly your client want to solve. You need to find out that. You need to examine that. You need to profiling that. Then you need to collect the data from them. Maybe they will share the data through database. Maybe they will share the data through Excel. Maybe they will share the data through different data sources. You need to check that file, and you need to check the file path. Then you need to input the data in your Power BI desktop. Then you need to do the data pre-processing. Pre-processing is nothing but data manipulation. Sometimes what happened, your client will share you some raw data. Sometimes they will share you clean data. If you raw data having also, you need to clean it. If you clean data also having, means you need to do the other steps like transformation, like merging, like appending, like grouping, or like formatting change, like you need to do like pivot, unpivot, okay, statistical things, mathematical things, many things you need to need to do in the data pre-processing, like transforming, structuring, anything you need to do it. Then creating visual. Before creating visual, you need to do the data modeling, like relationship. Because Power BI, if you're going to work with one table, that's fine. But if you're going to work with many tables, then you need to do the data modeling. Means like relationship. Because Power BI having 4 relationship: one to one, one to many, many to many, many to one. So you need to do the data modeling. Then you need to do the data DAX expression, data analysis expression. Formula. Everyone knows Excel having limited formula, but Power BI having unlimited formula, because Power BI having around 250 plus DAX. Around now, almost it's 300. Okay, 300 DAX expression we have in Power BI. If you want to become expert, then you have to learn all these formulas in Power BI, because Power BI having advanced formulas. By using that, we can solve big problem of the companies. After that, you need to go with the visualization, because Power BI having wide range of visualization option. By using that, we can solve our complex problem clear and concise manner. For that, we need to create a visual, because in Power BI, as I told, three kind of visualization we have. Visual we have normal, advanced, and AI. By using those things, we can create a visualization. Then comes to the dashboard. Dashboard means, see, visual and dashboard are different. Visual means one charts, you know, bar chart, pie chart. That's called one visual. When you're taking all the visual and creating one report, that's called dashboard. So we are creating a dashboard in Power BI so that you can drag many visual in one page, and you can create a visualization in single interactive view, only one dashboard. If you want to add many pages also, that's option we have also. We can create n number of multiple pages in our Power BI. Okay, after this creation dashboard, after created the dashboard, you can share and collaborate. Share collaborate means, as I told, share means you can share the report to your manager or to your stockholder. You can share your report and you can do it. But if you want to share, that means collaboration in your teammates. For example, in my company, there is a 15 member in my group. So I want to share my report to them, and I want to tell them, hey, I need something help. Please check my dashboard whether it's correct or not. If you want to add something, you can add it. If you want to delete something, you can delete it. So then people will advise you, hey, these things you need to change. So because of that, share and collaboration. Sharing means you can share it by using Power BI service. If you want to collaboration also, in the Power BI service, we can collaborate it. So that features, that step also we need to do in Power BI. Then monitoring and optimize. After sharing your report to your manager, almost you've done your project, but there you need to monitor your project. What the things is happening? If you're done with the project, then what things is happening? Maybe some data got loaded in the data, right? Some changes is happening in your dashboard. Maybe something deleted someone, like you are giving the access, like all things, many things we have in this Power BI, like after sharing and collaboration in Power BI service. There you need to monitor your data for up to date and get more information real times. You need to monitor it. So whenever you are working this Power BI, these steps you are going to do it. Define requirement, data pre-processing, visualization, building dashboard, sharing collaboration, monitor and optimize. Once this all things done, you need to share your, you need to present your report in front of them. Then you need to share the dashboards, all things. Then successfully you will complete your project. Then comes to, if you learn Power BI, okay, what are the roadmaps? If you want to learn Power BI, then what the roadmaps will be? See, first you need to learn about this introduction, like Power BI. What is Power BI? As I explained here now, what is Power BI? Key features, component, interface, okay, data sources. The things you need to know about Power BI introduction. Then comes to Power Query Editor. In this Power Query Editor also a big part of Power BI, because without Power Query Editor, we can't do anything. Because mainly Power Query Editor is designed for data modeling, transformation, and cleaning. So here we are going to learn how to connect a data source, how to import the data, how to do the transformation, how to clean the raw data, how to make the relationship. These all things you can do in Power Query Editor. Then data modeling. Data modeling means what? Relationship. How we can create relationship, how we can create fact table, dimension table, what is primary key, what is foreign key. These are all things you can learn. How to create a relationship, how to create a many-to-many relationship, how we can create data hierarchy. These are all things you can go with the data modeling. These are all things you should be know. Then DAX expression. As I told, in Power BI, we have 250 plus tasks. Like in DAX expression also categorized with some function, aggregation, date and time function, text function, many more function we have. These all things also you should know to solving the complex problem. Then data visualization, because Power BI having n number of data visualization. So by using that, you should know how to use pie chart, donut chart, or area chart, like decomposition, tree, narrative, many more things you should know. Completely basic to advanced visualization. Then comes to service. Once created the report in Power BI desktop, how to share it Power BI service, how to apply rollable security, how we can create a workshop, workspace, how we can create it, how we can share, how we can collaborate, how we can access, how we can monitor. These are all things you can do in Power BI service. So if you want to learn Power BI, then you have to learn all those things. Then only you can become an expert. Then comes to your job life. If you're learning Power BI, if you want to start your career with Power BI, then what job facilities we have in market? See, you can apply for Power BI developer, you can apply for data analytics, you can apply for business intelligence, you can apply for Power BI consultant, you can apply for data visualization specialist, you can apply for Power BI architect, Power BI intelligence manager. So like that, n number of, you maybe you thought like only 7 jobs is there. No, more than 7. See, don't think like only 7 job options is no. Visualize expert, Power BI expert, dashboard expert, many more things is there. Okay, so Power BI developer, if you're going to apply for, so there your role is like you need to design and develop and implement Power BI solution to solve the business requirement. Data analysis means you need to analyze the data in Power BI for creating visual, extracting the data for decision-making process to solve the complex problem. Business intelligence means you can gather the data, analyze the data, interpret the data, and improve the business operation. If you go with Power BI consultant means you need to offer expertise in Power BI implementation. You need to do the Power BI implementation, visualizing by using Power BI for solving the complex data effectively. Power BI architect, if you go for that, then you can design, build scalable Power BI solution. You need to find out the solution in Power BI architect so that you can integrate for optimize the process. Then business intelligence manager, if you're going to become a manager, then you need to guide your team, how the projects is going on, how they are doing, how they can implement it, all things you need to monitor it. That is manager part. So apart from this, more thousands of job is there in Power BI, not only like 7 to 8, n number of job there, maybe more than 20 plus job option is there in Power BI. So anyone having any doubt, guys? So this is all about your Power BI things, like how we can learn Power BI, what is Power BI. It's all things I explained. So anyone, if having doubt, you can feel free ask here. Anyone? Hello?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have one question over here. So yeah, if we want to like do the desktop on the, means you told like for the mobile you can access the dashboard from the mobile as well, but I do not understand how we can use the desktop for the Power BI.
See, you should be accessed here. You should be accessed, then only you can connect it. If you don't have access in desktop in the mobile means you can't connect it. Okay, you can't access the dashboard in mobile app, because you need to install Power BI mobile app in your mobile. Okay, then you have to connect, means you need to give the all things what I say, credential in the mobile, whatever you have in the desktop, then you can direct connect it and you can show your report to the mobile.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Any other one? So, guys, one more thing. We launched a new product, okay, about the interview portal, like how we can practice our interview, and also we have our like internship board also. So, you guys want to see that? So that our team will be explain you about this. Hmm? Hello. Yes, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Sonakshi,
Am
please
I
share your
audible?
screen. Yeah. Share your
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
and explain about new product. Yeah. About interview, how people can practice the interview, how they can get their job in this different role. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, my laptop is out of service. Can you please present?
So I
I
don't
will
have
tell
actually
whatever is
access.
required.
Just a
मैम
moment.
गूगल कर सकते हैं उसको internetech.interview.com.
Just a minute. Interview dot internetech.
Interview.internetech.com.
Yeah. Just a moment, guys. Yeah. Let's log in. I think okay. Now I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. So what I need to do, Sinakshi? Close it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So,
So guys, see
hello
here.
everyone. I'm Sonakshi, and
Go ahead, Sinakshi. Go ahead, Sinakshi.
so this is our interview bot where we mainly aim to help students to practice for interview and ace company level questions. Here we have many sections like job portal, skills, companies, etc., where we have questions based on different company, different skills, etc. So, ma'am, if you can open the job portal.
Okay. Yes,
Here
Sinakshi.
we have questions based on no, here in job portal is a place where you can explore the job opportunities around the world, and according to that we have given the if you go down we can see that
Yes. Okay.
uh, it would be great if I could present here. We have divided the companies into top categories like MNCs, project, banking, and finance. And within these, we have segregated all the companies. Ma'am, open MNCs.
Okay.
Here, for now, we are landing on a page where you can practice questions based on MNCs. And here you are trying to explore the job opportunities in that MNCs on various platforms like Naukri.com, etc. According to the filters, you can explore all the job opportunities. Once you're
Mhm.
done exploring the job opportunities, then you can go to other sections like companies or
Here only we need to click on this. Yeah, this one you are talking, right?
yes, ma'am. This is the Naukri campus page,
Mm-hmm.
and here one person can get an idea about the job opportunities in the market, which job
Mm-hmm.
opportunity need which skills, etc. So that
Mm-hmm.
according to that he can proceed to his preparations.
Okay, that's great.
Now,
So here,
if we go
here
back
people
to our
here people can click it and direct they can apply, right? So that they will like they will directly successfully apply this position, right?
yes, 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 they can.
Okay, 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 got it. Very good, innovative. Yeah.
Okay, now if we go back to our ITT website,
Okay. So this is our courses, right?
yes, this is our courses. After one explore their jobs and they feel the need of some, skill, they want to develop some skill in some domain. They come
Mm-hmm.
here, they click, and they land into a place where they will learn the particular skills
Okay, that's
through
great.
various high level courses. Yes.
Okay, fine. So one more thing,
Now, Imam,
I just wanted to know one thing, Sonakshi. So how they can practice the interview? If someone came to the interview portal, then
for
how they can
interview,
practice?
we have to go to the AI interview page in the
Mhm.
taskbar.
Okay. Guys, notice here how the interview portal is working so that you can practice here. You can practice your interview here directly. You can get the access job. Okay.
And here in the AI interview page, we have our AI
Mm-hmm.
interview bot, which will help us to prepare questions based on a
Mm-hmm.
specific skill and based on a specific company. So if we can open that bot,
Here in the
yes,
practice one, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
If you click on this means you need to give the login and password, right?
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
For interview bot, again, we will have to log in.
Okay, so login credential I don't have here actually.
Ma'am, कुछ भी मतलब with any email you can log in.
Okay, but that's maybe okay. Go ahead, Sonakshi. After that, you can explain. So, what about companies and skills? Hmm?
Ma'am, if you can open companies page.
Okay,
Okay, skills. Okay, let's go with skills. Okay, company.
okay. These are the companies,
Okay, in
right?
the companies page, yes, yes. We have so many top categories, and we have like worked so many days on this in filtering out the questions based on that particular company. We
Mm-hmm.
have 5 companies in each domain for practice. In further versions, we will release more companies. Within the company, we have option to select skills, and based on skills, we have around 30 questions for each skill, and overall we have around 200 plus questions for each company. We have explored all the resources online to sort these questions into these categories. Ma'am, if you can open Microsoft, we can show them that we have so many questions in there. Hello? Hello, am I audible?